morning, grade 9. We have seen all the operations on equal ratios in previous video, that is invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo and componendo dividendo. Depending on that, we have to solve set 4.3. So first question is, if a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, then we have to find 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. Now see, looking at this, you know that this has something to do with componendo dividendo. So first we should get a to be multiplied by 5 and b should be multiplied by 3. Here a upon b is 7 upon 3. So let us multiply this ratio by 5 upon 3. So I am multiplying a upon b by 5 upon 3. Okay, so if I write a upon b into 5 into 3, then this should also be equal to 7 upon 3 into 5 into 3. Up till here, is this clear? What I have done? Multiplying both sides by 5 upon 3. So multiply, I should write here not a by b. So multiply both sides. Okay, multiply both sides of the ratio of the equation, you can say both sides by 5 upon 3. See, a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Both sides I am multiplying by 5 upon 3. Okay, so it remains same again. So what I have now? 5a upon 3b. This is what we want, which is equal to 35 upon 9. Up till here, is this clear? Okay, now we can say this by, if I do componendo dividendo, I will get 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. That is what I want. So by componendo dividendo, I am using both componendo as well as dividendo. That means denominator has to be first added and then subtracted from the numerator. And what I am doing to this ratio, same I have to do with this ratio as well. So if I have 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. This is by componendo dividendo and that is what I want. So this should be equal to, same I have to do here also. What I will do? 35 plus 9 upon 35 minus 9. Is this clear? So this should be equal to 35 plus 9 is how much? 35 plus 9 you get 9, 14. So 44. Alright, 44. And 35 minus 9 if you do, then you have 26. Okay. This if you cut, then you will get 13 and here 22. Alright. So at the end you have 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b would be equal to 22 upon 13. Okay, so that is to say it is equal to 22 is to 13. You have to find the ratios. Isn't it easy? Okay, shall we go to the next problem now? Is to sign should be clear. I hope it is clear. Okay, we'll go for the next problem now. Now look at the second problem. If a upon b is 7 upon 3, you have to find 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. Now see students, it is very easy. First from a we have to move to a square. So first what I did, squaring both the sides. So let me square these ratios. A square upon b square is 7 square upon 3 square. So I got now a square upon b square as 49 upon 9. But I don't want only a square upon b square. What do I want? 2a square and I want 3b square. So this should be multiplied by 2 and this should be multiplied by 3. So multiplying both sides by 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 I am multiplying here also. So I need to multiply to the other ratio as well. So what I get, 2a square upon 3b square is equal to 49 into 2 is 98. 3 into 9 is 27. Now I have 2a square upon 3b square. But I want 2a square plus 3b square and upon 2a square minus 3b square. This is componendo and dividendo. So you can write here now this I have got by componendo dividendo. What I get? 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. So numerator, once I am adding denominator, to numerator I am subtracting denominator. Same I should be doing over here. 98 plus 27, 98 minus 27. So I get 125 upon 71. That is to say 125 is to 70. Is this clear? Okay. Please pause the video and take it down. Steps are very important. Let's go to the next. Our third problem is very easy. I want a cube and b cube. So first step will be cubing both the sides. So if I cube this both the sides, I get a cube upon b cube is 7 cube upon 3 cube, which is 343 upon 27. Now very carefully see what do we want. I want only a cube minus b cube upon b cube. So this is nothing but only dividendo. Okay, so you use the correct ratios. I am subtracting denominator only from numerator, and again I am dividing only by denominator. So that is to say that it is only dividendo. So a cube minus b cube upon b cube. If I am doing this to one ratio, same I have to do with the other ratio. So it is 343 minus 27 upon 27. So that is 316 upon 27. So I got this ratio is equal to 316 is to 27. You just look what is asked, and similarly you do operations on these numbers. It is as easy as that. Alright? Only which ratios you are using to do that you should be knowing. Okay? Let's go for the next question. Now look at this. A upon b is 7 by 3 and we want to find 7a plus 9b. So a should be multiplied by 7 and b should be multiplied by 9. So this ratio has to be multiplied by 7 by 9. But if you are doing multiplication over here, you have to do it there other side also. Then only LHS and RHS will be same. So multiplying both the sides by 7 by 9. So what do we get? 7a upon 9b. 7 7s are 49. 3 9s are 27. Now look at this and this. Once you are adding and once you are subtracting the denominator from numerator. That is which operation on equal ratio if you see, then it is by componendo dividendo. So we do 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. What you did to this ratio, same you have to do with this ratio. So it is 49 plus 27 upon 49 minus 27. You compare this. Okay. Now this comes out to be 76 upon 22. If you divide by 2, we get this as 38 and this you get as 11. So at the end you have 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to 38 upon 11. That is to say that 38 is to 11. Is this clear? Okay. So please take down all the four problems from 4.3 question 1. 4 problems we have solved. Second question we will do in the next video. Thank you.